Hey Maddie, Dev Day. Everyone's buzzing. Seismic shift or just hype?
Oh, Stella, it's wild. Sam Altman hinted our tech stack could be obsolete. ChatGPT as an app platform? Huge, right? Like the platform.
Whoa, an app platform. More than new features? A whole new way to interact with software?
Exactly. Want music? Message ChatGPT? Boom! It's aiming to be an OS, really changing paradigms. Mind blowing, you know?
No app switching. Sounds convenient, but could it overcomplicate? UIs are, well, for efficiency.
Fair point. But Model Context Protocol means seamless interaction, pulling context across apps, all from chat. Seriously streamlines.
Okay, for us developers, what's the real juice? Agent Builder, how transformative, truly.
Oh my gosh, Agent Builder is a game changer. Design, test, deploy AI agents without code. All visual, like a flowchart.
No code? That's wild. So anyone can build an AI agent then?
Absolutely. It totally democratizes app dev. ChatKit for UI, evals for testing, connector registry for secure integrations, empowers everyone. It's fantastic.
Wow. And Codex slashes code review times? Really that good or just fancy autocomplete?
Way more than autocomplete. Codex is an AI agent that writes code. Companies halved review times, maintains quality, security way faster. Incredible, actually.
So, with new models like Sora 2, GPT-5 Pro, sounds amazing. But what's the catch? Hidden cost?
Yeah, definitely. Deeper AI integration means costs add up, financially, computationally. It's a trade-off, right? Depends on what you're building.
Right. More complex AI needs more compute, more expense, but benefits must outweigh that. Did they elevate human effort or, just replace it?
That's the big question, Stella. Goal is enhancement. Agent Kit, Codex, they free devs from mundane tasks, letting them focus on creativity. Human touch, though, always invaluable.
So tech stacks aren't obsolete, but evolving, integrated with AI as an active participant?
Exactly. It's a renaissance in digital product building. AI moves from facilitator to integral participant. Compelling vision,